In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT on Moonpay using the mobile app, step by step. First, open the Moonpay app on your phone and log in with your email. Enter the verification code sent to your inbox. If this is your first time, you'll need to complete identity verification (KYC) and add a payment method like a debit or credit card before you can buy. On the home screen, tap Buy. In the list of cryptocurrencies, search for and select USDT Tether. Will automatically show you the estimated USDT amount, fees, and exchange rate. Next, you need a USDT wallet address where Moonpay will send your tokens. Open your exchange or wallet app, copy your USDT deposit address on the correct network, for example, ERC20 or TRC20, and paste it into Moonpay. Double-check that the address and network match. Finally, confirm your payment method, review all details one more time, and tap See, Confirm. After the payment is processed, your USDT will arrive in the wallet address you provided. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.